Hey everyone, it's Gretchen here in Catnpaws. So just a quick Walmart and Michael's haul. I figured I'd just share in case, something catches your eye and like, oh, I want to go out and get that. So this is Walmart, and these are googly eye owl stickers, I guess. Some of them are like winking. And you can see what they look like. And then I did get 2 packs of these. How cute are those? Again, a couple are winking. And I love the kitty cat. And they were only 98 cents. And then I also picked up the conversation hearts, but these are in the tropical fruit. So they are coconut, mango, banana, pomegranate, and pineapple. I think they were $1. Not bad at all. And then I also picked up these airheads. There are 28 mini bars and cards. I know it was under $3. I did open them up because I wanted to see what they look like. They are the mini bars. I think they'll be great to mill out, and they'll lie flat, so they should mill out pretty good in a card without getting caught. So I was thinking, like, what can I mill out, Well, pens, but I always end up getting a pen, the envelope returned to me because it pokes out. And one time I sent my mother-in-law a card and it had a little bling on it, and that got pushed back to me as well because it had pushed through the envelope and right through her address. And here's the little cards that you just slip the airheads right into the to from. So I thought those are cute. And then I can just mail them in a regular envelope. And then I did the usual grocery shopping at Walmart. Nothing exciting there. I looked at the wax too, but they didn't have anything new out. I was looking for that strawberry. I think Pretty Polka Dots picked up strawberry mimosa or something like that. They didn't have it. I headed over to Michael's. I just wanted to see what they had because they're today. Now that was yesterday Walmart, and then today is the 21st of January, and Michael's has the Valentine stuff on sale for 30% off, and like certain things. I just kept there was no flyer up. I just kept going to the scanner and checking it. So these were 30% off. And then they have that 20% off. So there you can see I got the treat bags for $2.09. They were originally $2.99. And then I got them with the coupon and they were $1.67. I was so excited to find these. I had got some Happy Mail from Kimmy Kim, and the bag she sent was very similar to this texture and the way it has the handle and the Ziploc. So this comes with 16 pieces. This is the only design I saw at my Michael's. So how cute. I was just so happy to find those. Also the Valentine's, I got a 6x6 paper pad, and you can see that one was $4.19, originally $5.99, and then with the coupon it was $3.35, which isn't bad. I don't think so. I have a large 12x12 in the other one, and I just wanted to pick up a little 6x6 because these are great for making. I like to make those little envelopes, and they work well with that. I'll just fold those in. So it's Valentine's Day, 24 sheets, 12 with treatments. It is one-sided. See there, that is foiled glittery. Raised a little bit. Some cut up parts. Woo. The bicycle, some hearts. Those are not treated. That is, wow, shiny. There's the marble and some stripes. And that again is the Valentine's Day, you and me, and baby makes 3. I pulled this out. This was on clearance for $2.49. And I so wanted to open this in the store to fill it, but I said, no, be a good girl. So if you're going to get it, just buy it. 12 bags. And the coupon did not apply because it was on clearance. I came home, I opened it up, and they are a glassine, which I'm so happy. Maybe even vellum. No, I think that was glassine. They are lightly dotted, so it's a cream color with the dots, and oh, perfect. So I was glad to pick those up. And that whole section where all those little bags and banner things, and I think they have string, all that is on clearance right now. You could just walk that whole aisle and just buy everything clearance. And then I did pick up another pack of these Project Life 3x4 pockets. They were on clearance, and these were $2.49. I want to try to make shakers, and I always like to have some for mess-ups. So I just went ahead and grabbed them before, and I don't know if they're coming back with them or not. I figured just go ahead and get them now. So spend a whopping, ooh, right on the money. Look at that, $10. And then my tax. All right, that is my Walmart and Michael's haul. Pretty small, but still significant. Everything I needed it for. So, all right. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.